when it was formally accepted that women were victims of the conflicts. We knew that all the time, but also women were not only victims of conflicts, but also important actors to prevent conflicts, to resolve conflicts, and to achieve peace building. And that was the Security Council resolution in the first, let's say, important and relevant moment in 2000, is the Security Council resolution called 1325, presented by Namibia and approved by consensus, by which it is declared that women have a critical role as again, as I said, as actors, and they have to be involved if we want to prevent conflict, if we want to resolve conflict. And they have to be participated meaningfully and fully in the maintenance and promotion of peace and security. And this is something that applies to every single country of the world. Because when we talk about conflict, as I said, could be social tensions, could be economic tensions, could be huge inequality that creates conflicts in a society.